Clearing your search history on DAZN can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the DAZN app or website. Launch the DAZN app on your device or visit the DAZN website using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Sign into your account. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your DAZN account. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon or found in the menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Find the Privacy or Account section. Within the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Privacy or Account. This is where you can manage your personal information and preferences. Step 5. Clear search history. In the Privacy or Account section, look for an option to clear or manage your search history. Follow the prompts to delete your search history. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on DAZN. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your viewing experience and protect your privacy.